Hello friends, in the previous video we discussed about the rules of syllogism and the types of statement in the syllogism. Today we will discuss about the rules for conversion of statements in the syllogism. So let us first see the rules for conversion of statements in the syllogism. Let us see the rules. These are some of the rules of rules for conversion of statements in the syllogism. So the first rule is A-type statement can be converted into I-type statement. Whereas A is all type of statement and I is some type of statement. I type of statement, it can also be converted into I type of statement. E type of statement can be converted into O asterisk type of statement. Whereas E type of statement is no type of statement and O asterisk type of statement is some not reverse type of statement. E type of statement can also be converted into E type of statement. To make it more clear, let us see some examples. Here are the examples. First rule is A type of statement can be converted into I type of statement. So this is the statement. The statement is all pens are pencil. So to convert this into I type of statement, we will remove all and replace it with some. So the statement becomes some pens are pencil. This is the method for conversion of A type of statement into I type of statement. Now I type of statement can also be converted into I type of statement. The statement is some pens are pencil and we will convert into I type of statement by interchanging its subject and predicate. The subject will become predicate and the predicate will become subject. So the conversion will be some pencils are pen. Now E type of statement can be converted into O asterisk type of statement, that is some not reverse type of statement. So the statement is no pen is a pencil. So this is some not reverse type of statement. So when we will convert it into some not reverse type of statement, the statement will be some pencils are not pen. O reverse means the subject will become predicate and the predicate will become subject. And E type of statement can further be converted into E type of statement. That is, if the statement is no pen is a pencil, then the converted statement will be no pencil is a pen. So this was the conversion of statements, rule for conversion of statements.